So hi guys, I welcome you back to yet another video. After a long time, I know that it's been a long time that I have made videos. All right. So the thing is, guys, you guys know, right? I was a bit busy with all the works which I had, and I was pursuing my master's degree, and you guys know that how difficult it can be. So I was handling a lot of things, stuffs there, like attending workshops, seminars. So like you guys know that I was the SPR and also CR of the class, so that is all added responsibilities I had taken up for myself. So that's why it was very difficult for me to make videos and all. So it's been like straight up 7 8 months, not 7 8 months, but 6 5 5 6 months that I have made video. But so I'm back. So a little bit about myself. We are done with our third semester examinations, and we have so I am currently got internship at as a data scientist intern in Antwerp. Okay, so that is what it is right now. So this video is mostly about, in the college placements I've got Accenture. So there are a lot of people who are having doubts and who are uncertain about what is going on, what is happening basically. So as far as my research is concerned, so I will tell you, and I'll definitely tell you the date lines as well, like date format, like when did I receive what and all right. So I have noted it down, I've jotted it down, you can see as well in here. So this I don't know how to align this. So this I'll definitely share the screenshot as well in the you must be seeing it. Okay, so see, सबसे पहले I would tell you, so it's a campus placement. I got it for like associate software engineer, this PADA role, packaged app developer associate role. And also I did receive a mail a couple of days before regarding the Accenture internship. So that another video I'm planning to make another video out of it. Okay, so by the way, that Accenture internship is like very few people receive it, and I happen to one of them. I have to happen to be one of them. All right. So see, it's a college placement. Okay, so 27th July, the our superset gave us notification as to Accenture has come. 27th July, I applied for it. After 3 days, I got a OTP for email verification. Again, on the same day itself, I got login credentials. After 16 days, and there were so many. So since I am from MSc data science background, right? So there are like almost 50 to 60% of our classmates who got rejection mail because they put MSc data science. So Accenture especially came for MCA or MTech or BTech CSE, and also it was mentioned to us that we were supposed to mention that we are from MCA, IT or CS, something like that. Okay, there was a drop down. So all those people, though the drop down menu had MSc data science, all those people who selected MSc data science from my classmates got rejection mail. All right, and no one could do anything about it. Even our placement coordinators, neither our teachers could do anything about it. So half of the janta of my class was straight away rejected in the first initial days itself. Okay, I happened to apply it after this incident happened. Okay, so I got saved. Yeah, by the way, I was the only one who went on to clear the entire assessments. I cleared that as well. Okay, and there are only some 20 odd people from my college who cleared that, and it was not very tough, to be very honest. Yeah, so let's go. So 16th August, after 16 days, okay, after 16 days, 16th August, I got a congratulations mail stating that you will be assessed through cognitive assessment, coding assessment, and communication assessment. Yeah, so this was given to us after 16 days. On the 2nd of September, we had our assessments. Okay, second, third, and fourth, or first, second, third. So like there were many people who applied for it, so they did made it for a batch. So there were many people, right? So they couldn't accommodate everyone in a single day, so they made it 3 batches. So mine was 2nd of September. So in the very first day, you will have stage 1 and stage 2. So about Accenture, stage 1 is an elimination, and after that nothing is elimination. But then again, entire process you have to give it your A game, alpha game, in order for you to get the congratulations mail that you have been through. Okay, so we'll discuss about it, don't worry. So second uh, 2nd September, yeah, 2nd September I got a mail. So I had my assessment, first cognitive assessment. It was a cognitive and technical assessment. It was I would say it was the level was easy to moderate, because we had like 4 sections, different sections. You must be like, you must have seen in the YouTube or Google. Okay, so we had like fairly simple. I could manage to solve all those, like all the algebra questions, not the algebra but the elementary mathematics questions, all the cloud questions, all the technical questions, all the pseudocode questions were simple. So many people from my class went on to clear that as well. Next, all those people who cleared the assessment, the cognitive assessment, were requested to stay back. So 10 minutes after, our coding assessment was supposed to start, and all those people who could not clear it was sent back. Okay, now this was the only stage where elimination was there. After this, there was no elimination. So rather, sorry, I beg your pardon. So coding assessment was also an elimination round. All right. So next was my coding. Okay, coding assessment. I did went on to clear. I had 2 coding assessment. Of course, I don't remember. It's been like 3-4 months now that I don't remember. But it was fairly simple, like 4-5 lines of codes. Okay. So I did went on to clear all the test cases for first question and second question. I remember I cleared 7 test cases. 3 test cases I couldn't clear, and it was time's up. And then as soon as I submitted, like automatically submitted the assessment on the 2nd of September itself, just after submitting my test, I got a congratulations mail stating that yeah, that you are through, congratulations, you are through to the next round. All right. So the 5th September details. Now 5th September I got a mail stating the communication round, the details of the communication round that was supposed to happen from 5th to 7th, and in between I had to give that communication round. Again, communication round was fairly simple. It's just that they try to check your memory power and how sharp is your memory, how good you can remember stuffs, because there's a AI bot which says something to you and then you have to repeat. There was different round. You must be seeing it in the YouTube videos. You will get that as well. I want to share my experience in this video. So you will have one mock, one practice session also for that. It's barely simple, but then again, it's it is very important for you to remember the words. And tips and tricks, maybe some other day. I don't hold a chair where I stand and tell you to tips and tricks, because it's only one company that I've cracked. There are many people who can tell you tips and tricks. Just I got one tip that's saying that even if you stuck, don't get stuck. Say some other thing and finish the sentence. So the AI bot will only catches your grammar and the fluency, not the exact word. It's not trying to get the exact word. But then again I went on to crack that, because I think I have good communication skills. So I went on to clear that as well. Yeah, 7th of September again I gave it. So I got a confirmation mail regarding that you have given the thing. 14th of September I got a mail for interview selection slot. Okay, so that again was supposed to be chosen for like 2-3 days. Window was given to me. I did chose 17th of September 11:40 a.m. Now remember the timings. All right, 11:40. There are many speculations of people on YouTube saying that their interviewer did not join, or their lobby was the wait time in the lobby was way too long for them to hold on. Luck, bad. Luck, boss. I can't do anything about it. Even it was my first time giving Accenture. So I still remember my friend from my own class itself had 11:20 ka time slot, and then no, 11 o'clock ka time slot. I purposefully selected 11:40 so that I could ask him what questions, like I could gain something about the interview as to how it is going on, even though I had fair amount of knowledge as to what all questions I will be facing. But then again, just to be on a safer side. So his was at 11 o'clock, mine was at 11:40. He started waiting at 11 o'clock. His number came at 12:30. I started waiting like 11:40. I logged in at 11:40 or 11:30. I got my interview at 1:30, 1:30ish. All right, so I can tell you that it went on to exact 15 minutes. 10 15 seconds plus or minus, exact 15 minutes. Then I got to know that people like the Accenture interviewer, like mostly are from HR backgrounds, though they are not asking too much technical question. But then again, I got a technical question stating the technical question. Okay, so the technical question, so I'm sorry guys, I'm giving a lot of assessments now, so I don't remember much. Yeah, I do remember. So the technical question the interviewer went on to ask me was, you have a string, and from that string contains order ID, say ABC 1234, how do you extract it? So I didn't know how. I wanted to give him dynamic program. That's why I couldn't do it through string slicing in Python, but I did give him NLTK ka, in NLP we have something called as NLTK library, through which you can extract the order IDs. All right, so through NER, named entity recognizer recognition, something like that. So I did give him, but of course, watching his face, I clearly made out that it is like he's not able to make it. He's not able to get it. That what did I do? But then again, if you, I think this is my, like, I think somewhere deep in my mind that I think if I would have done it through string slicing, I would have gotten advanced associate system software engineering wala role, AAASC 6.5 lakh ka package. But then again, I'm happy for what I've got. Yeah. So yeah, 17th September itself, I got a confirmation that yes, you have given interview. Now this is the hard part. I did wait for 23 days. Okay, I did wait for 23 days. To 11th October, I got a congratulations mail saying Accenture. I got a congratulations mail saying you are a step closer. Accenture task. So like Dhanadhan, I got 4-5. I still remember I was giving my midterm examination on that day. I came out of the examination hall. I got like 4 to 5 emails. First one was congratulations, you are a step closer. Accenture task notification, and after that what Accenture profile creation document upload, and then voila, I've got, you have been selected to be a part of Accenture family. So I was very happy, and then I also got Accenture LOI, letter of intent. So 11th of October, I still remember 2 days prior or 2 days before, 9th of October maybe or 10th of October, the other two people from my classmates got rejection mail. That sorry to something like that. Sorry to inform you that you have not cleared the Accenture interview and all. So I'm just watching downstairs because it's where my laptop is. I can see myself that it is recording right now. Yeah. So don't worry about that. December 13, I got a iAspire candidature portal creation. December 18th, I got, yeah, this is very important. December 18th, I got a internship, Accenture internship. So I was very shocked, pretty shocked as to how come Accenture started giving internship programs. And then I went on to research something about it. Then I got to know that Accenture has started this internship program for BTech grads or MSc grads or MTech grads who are in the final semester, and they are eligible for internships. So this they have started like year ago in 2024. So I don't have much details about it. I just had to fill one survey. You are watching it on the screen right now. I just had to fill in one survey link, where the like I'll make a different separate video out of it. Don't worry about this. So there was something called as I had to check mark interested, or you have knowledgeable or certified. So it had design, Adobe, Figma, Microsoft, Oracle, Salesforce, SAP, software engineering like Agile, Scrum, this .NET and all, right? I hope I'm sure. Workday and all. Yeah. So this was pretty much it. Today is December 21, and 18th December I got the Accenture internship mail. So this was it. This was it about myself, that I did went on to clear Accenture. I happened to be the only one from my class. Now I'm not boosting myself up. The crux of the journey of me getting into Accenture is, what I found was, your knowledge will be checked only till your coding assessment, and then thereafter you will be checked, or you will be assessed based on your communication skills. Since I have been making videos from a long time on YouTube in English format, so I think I have developed that much amount of communication skills that I could clear Accenture ka interview. I'm fortunate to God. For some people, it's a cakewalk. For me, for people like me, I was dying to get a job in some company. I got it. I'm very, very, very happy. Along with that, now I have Accenture in my kitty. I think I have saved my ass right now. Also, with that confidence, I did went on to clear one more data science intern position at Antwerp. Okay, Cyber Wars. So now I'm in a dilemma that whether should I go for continuing my internship, because the internship of Accenture will be starting from February, and I am currently pursuing my internship as a data science intern. So I am in a dilemma. You guys know machine learning, data science, this AI is my love, okay, and I want to pursue my career in these fields itself. Uh, it's very uncertain for me to think that I will only get data science roles once I join Accenture, because it's a fresher role. They will give me whatever the role they think I am suited for. It's a very 50-50 situation. It should not be like this. I am stuck in a situation where I have done data science. I have interest in data science. I don't want .NET as my language. Okay, data science intern I'm doing, they are also they will also convert me to full-time role in couple of months from now. I'm seriously in a dilemma right now as to what to do, what not to do. If you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment box. Yeah, and from now I'm serious of making videos. Do subscribe, guys. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.